So before we get started with today's video, as I was editing, I realized that I didn't really explain what we were doing in the video. And I know there are a lot of folks that watch the channel that may not be familiar with cattle and some of the terms that I use. So what we're doing in this video is we are banding our little bull calf. What that is you place a little rubber band around his little man parts and he will turn him into a steer. There are a couple reasons for that. The first being he's going to be beef, and so we would prefer him to be a steer to be beef. And number two is he's also going to be in the pasture with his mother. We don't want any inbreeding going on or anything like that. And please keep in mind as you watch this video, there was no harm done to this calf. No calf, usually doesn't matter how gentle they are, they're not going to like you messing with that area. And my calf is not tame. There's no hiding that. He's not tame, nor do I really plan for him to be tame, as like I said, he will be beef. Don't plan on getting too attached to him. So just keep that in mind. No harm done. He actually gave us a run for our money pretty good, as you will see. And yes, that is a baby you hear crying in the background. That's my nephew, but he was fine too. But sometimes you just got to do what you got to do, and we got it done. So I hope y'all enjoy the video. Hey y'all, it's Megan. Welcome back to the channel. Glad y'all are here today. Today is liable to be a very entertaining video. I've got my calf put up, and my sister-in-law's coming to help me to see if we can get a band on this little fella. We waited too long. We should have done it when he was a little bit smaller, but we all know how life goes sometimes. So it just is what it is. I don't know if we're going to be able to do it, but we're sure going to try. Andy's gone to work, and I called him, and he said, well, y'all try it and see what you can do. So that's what we're going to do. Hope y'all enjoy. Oh, you have to Well, y'all, we got it done. That was something that needed to be done a month ago. But it's done, and you know, it's just real life, so excuse the background noise and everything. We just like to show y'all what real life is like around here, and you know, a couple things I learned, and that I already knew, but you know, whatever. But I wish I had a smaller area to work with cows that you could pin them up a little better. I cannot pin this calf up in that stanchion, he would run right under it. But I know I need a better area for that, and I don't need to wait till they're 2 or 3 months old to band them. So, but it's all right. It's done now. He is going to make a delicious steak for us one of these days, and I guess I better let him back out. He's been away from Mama all day, so he's ready to get out. So he's back out with Mama. He's in his happy place. Hopefully weaning him pretty soon so I can really start getting some milk from Bill. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it cracked you up a little bit and made your Monday morning, because rewatching it myself, I got real tickled. But anyways, till we see y'all on the next one, y'all have a good one.